Hi dear students, welcome to today's online session. Today we are going to start the 5th chapter of your English reader. But before that, I would like to request you to please like and subscribe this channel to receive more and more exciting news. Plus do sit with a copy and a pen so that you can jot down the important points of this lecture. Let's get started, students. We are going to start the 5th chapter of English reader, and the name of the chapter is The Last Abode of the Asiatic Lion. So you must be thinking that what is the meaning of abode? Abode means a place to live, and yes, we are going to study about lions. The name of the chapter is The Last Abode of the Asiatic Lions. Yes. In today's session, we are going to talk about the National Sanctuary, that is the Giri National Park situated at Junagadh. Yes, you all must have studied before in your general knowledge books, in your GK books, the Gir National Park. Yes, it is the same park we are going to discuss today. And the writer tells that when you enter Gir National Park, you will be welcomed by songsters, the birds that have very beautiful voices. And then when you will go deep, you will see the lions are resting and lazing on the dry grass. They are enjoying the sunshine. And then coming to the scientific properties, this chapter has told us about that thanks to the Nawab, because they were the one who have started the sanctuary because they had the habit of hunting, and then later thanks to the forest department for starting the conservation camp for the lions. Yes, and you know this Gir National Park has more than 300 lions, more than 200 leopards, and more than 700 crocodiles. Yes, it has a beautiful bunch of birds, songsters who have beautiful voices. Then the national park has leopards, it has bears, it has jackals, black bucks, so many animals. Actually, this national park, the Gir National Park, creates a beautiful ambience of the reality of the jungle. Yes, as we make aquarium, no, in aquarium we give a ambience of the sea. It looks like it's a real sea. So similarly, Gir National Parks is giving the ambience of a national and a real jungle, and it has a very stable ecosystem. Plus, it has a variety of biodiversity which is self-sufficient in itself. And you know, this Gir National Park originates 7 rivers. Yes, so it is a life cycle for the water, also for the animals. And then this chapter also talks about that there is an international ornithologist named Dr. Salim Ali. He said that this Gir National Park, you can observe, you can see that this national park is so famous that it has captured the attention of international ornithologists. Yes, so Dr. Salim Ali, the international ornithologist, has said that the Gir National Park or the Wildlife Sanctuary is not only sanctuary for the lions, rather it can be the best bird sanctuary in the whole country. Yes, because it has very beautiful birds. But you know, students, today whatever the area of national park is, it was 3 times larger before a century. Yes, but later on the cultivators started using some of the lands in their personal purposes, so that's why the area has shrinked and it has decreased. So when the forest department started the conservation camp for the lions, it gave a very good impact and it brought a very good result, that it has increased the population of the lions. Yes, and this Gir National Park is popular in all over the world. And do you remember we also celebrated International Environment Day, on which we have done a project and an assignment of making grain feeders and water feeders for the birds. Yes, so this chapter is also related to that this sanctuary is also a beautiful place or abode for birds or songsters. So I hope you have understood and enjoyed this chapter. Here are some sets of assignments. Students, please solve the exercises carefully, read the chapter, discuss it with your parents, your friends and your siblings, and try to enhance your knowledge as much as you can. Take care. Bye.